Question number 2. The rule to get each number in a sequence is: subtract the previous number from 100, then divide the answer by 2. Here is part of the sequence. Write the two missing numbers. Well, as you can see, one of the missing numbers is at the start of the sequence, so we're going to have to work backwards, and the other missing number is at the end of the sequence, and we're going to have to work forwards with a rule. It's always easy to work forwards with a rule, so we'll probably find it easy to find the end box first. So to find this end box, we've got to subtract the previous number from 100. So the previous number is 33.75. So if we start with 100 and subtract 33.75, we get 66.25. Now we need to divide this answer by 2. So 66.25 divided by 2 equals 33.125, and that's the answer that needs to go in the end box. So 33.125. Now let's go back and have a look at the first box that starts the sequence off. Well, subtract the previous number from 100, then divide the answer by 2. Well, if we're dividing the answer by 2 to get 40, what number divides by 2 to get 40? Well, 80. 80 divided by 2 gets 40. Now the question is, what would we have to subtract from 100 to get us to 80 in the first place? Well, subtracting from 100 to get to 80, you'd have to subtract 20. So it looks as though this answer needs to be 20. So let's pop 20 in there, and let's just check it. So to get 40, if we're trying to get 40, if we subtract the previous number from 100, well, the previous number is 20. So subtract 20 from 100, you can do that in your head. 100 take away 20 is 80. And then divide that answer by 2. Well, 80 divided by 2 is 40, which is why we've got that in the second box. So it does seem to fit in. So there's your two answers, 20 in the first box and 33.125 in the last box.